Have you been doing this in your relationship and you think you're doing the right thing? Have you been making these common mistakes that you don't even realize it could be the reason why your relationship did not last or why you keep having problems every now and then in your relationships? Well, if you have, that means this video is specifically made for you. Here, I'm going to explain 5 common mistakes couple makes in their relationship and how to fix them. Yes, I won't just explain the problem, I'm going to tell you what to do in order to solve such issues. So here are the 5 mistakes that people make in their relationship. Like I told you in the initial stage, I'm going to list them and I'm going to explain them to you and how to fix them. So number one is expecting your partner to read your mind. People assume that some people assume that their partner should be able to know how they feel without them necessarily explaining or relating their feelings to them. And in most cases, when this happens, that the partner fail to read their mind, you find out that resentment begin to build in the relationship, and it before you know it, problem will burst everywhere. Now, how do you go about fixing this kind of issues? you what do? You go ahead and explain, or should I say you go ahead and tell your partner how you feel. Speak out. Tell him or her how you feel. Stop expecting him, or stop assuming that he should know. He's not God. He doesn't read minds, and he's not computer. Even computer self, it is garbage in, garbage out. It's what you give computer that computer gives out to you. So if you don't tell your partner how you feel, how do you expect him or her to know that maybe you're not happy with him, or maybe there's something bothering you, or maybe there's something you want? So it is advisable that you open your heart, tell your partner that this is what I want, this is how it's supposed to be, this is how it's going to be. I don't like this, I don't like that, I like this, I like that. If you do that, you find out that there will be no much problems. You stop assuming, you stop believing that your partner is supposed to. No, he doesn't read minds. Okay, he's not God. He can't see what is going through your heart until you let it out. So it is advisable that you tell your partner, this is how I feel, this is how I want it to be, this is how it is supposed to be. You let them know that this is what they want. Stop. You come out clearly. You say it calmly and clear. Stop being ambiguous in your speech. Stop being ambiguous in your demand. Don't run around. Don't run around the talks. Just go straight to the point. Say it calmly and clearly. Okay, I want it this way. Don't be ambiguous. Tell your partner exactly what you want. Now, number two is what? Number two mistake that a lot of people make in their relationship is trying to win argument instead of solving problems. A lot of couples turn disagreement into battle. Yes, once they have problem, it will now be who is going to win this case? Instead of focusing on the issue, instead of focusing on the problem that they are having, they will start a kind of argument from here and there. No, it shouldn't be like that. It will become a combat that deserve to have a winner. But it's not supposed to be so. This is relationship we are talking about. This is two people that are in love. Things are supposed to be resolved amicably. You find out that when these things happen, most of the times the issues, as in the attention will be shifted from the issues, from understanding the issues and solving it, to winning the battle. You are not here to win battle, my dear. You're here to have a good relationship. I see no reason why you should be combating with your partner. You have an issue, instead of you to solve it, you're arguing. It's not necessary. It is not necessary. So how do you go about this? Focus on issue. Focus on solving the issue, understanding the issue first, solving it, instead of arguing, instead of trying to prove a point all the time. Every time you're trying to prove a point, every time you're trying to you are being defensive. They tell you this instead of you to accept. No, you are being defensive. You're trying to prove a point every now and then. It is not necessary. This number three. Number three mistake is taking each other for granted. If you watch out, you find out that over time, before you know what is happening, people they stop appreciating each other. They stop complimenting each other. They stop saying, giving just those little things that matters. They stop saying it. They stop appreciating it. You find out that problem will burst anywhere, everywhere. Maybe when they started the relationship, the other person used to tell each other, "Oh, you look beautiful. Oh, you are the best. Oh, this, oh, that. You know how it is. Oh, your food is so nice. Your food is so delicious." And before you know it, there is nothing like that again. No, it is, hey, this girl have fun now. Waiting, it hasn't. There is no form of appreciation. There's no form of all those little things that you to tell each other is no longer there. You might think it's nothing, but it really affects relationship. So how do you go about this? You keep appreciate yourself regularly, no matter how little. Show appreciation, no matter what your partner do to you, give to you, whether it is big, whether it's small. Try as much as possible to say thank you. It goes a long way. Show appreciation. Then another problem, another mistake people make is what? Avoiding difficult conversation. Yes, a lot of people in their relationship, they try to keep silent in order to avoid conflict in their relationship. When they have something bothering them or when they have an issue, instead of them to tackle it, instead of them to face it and discuss and go about it and know how to go about it, they keep silent because they don't want conflict, they don't want issues in the relationship. But what you don't know that is that an unresolved issue, an unspoken issue, usually result a bigger one that will be so big that most times it leads to the end of the relationship. So it is better to talk about it. It is better to discuss it instead of keeping silent. Keeping silent is never an option. It is not even the best at all. It is better when you come out and say, let's talk about this. Let's resolve this issue instead of you keeping silent. Okay, I'm a big girl, I'm a big boy, let it be like that. My dear, it can never, because that problem will resurface one day, and before you know it, it will result to something that is bigger than you can ever expect and bigger than you might not handle at the end of the day. What is that last one? The last one is what? Losing your individual identity. What do I mean by losing your individual identity? Some people, once they are in love, nothing else matters. Once they are in love, they don't care, they don't give a damn about anybody in their life before they went into that relationship. They'll forget about their hobbies, their friendship, in fact, their personal growth. In some cases, some people even forget their family members because they are in love. Oh, love is shocking you. Oh, he's in love with me. Oh, she's in love with me. Forget about people that have been in your life all these years. You forget about your personal growth, developing yourself, trying to be a better version of yourself because you are in a relationship. You don't even want to keep your friends. Your friends that have been there for you for 10 good years. You don't even call him or her. You don't even check on him or her because you're in a relationship. The only thing that matters to you is that guy, is that woman that you are in love with. Relationship that you don't even know what is going to happen tomorrow. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. Now, how do you fix this particular problem of losing your individual identity? How do you fix it? You fix this problem by what? Maintaining your maintaining your interest and encouraging your partner to do same. Yeah, you maintain your interest. You this is who I am. This is how it has been all these years before I even meet you. So it should remain like that. And you should also advise your partner, because when you are doing that and your partner is doing that, there won't be problem. You usually have problem when one person, okay, when one person keep doing that and the other partner will be like, can't you see that I've left all my friends, I've left my hobby, I've even forgotten about a lot of people because I met you, I expect you to do that. My dear, spell it out from the first day. Let him know that you're not going, no, I'm not going to forget about people that have been there for me, because I met you. And I don't even expect you to forget about people that have been there for you too before you meet me. So the two people it should balance. There should be a balance between this. Continue with yours while I continue with mine. And I'm going to continue with my personal growth. I'm going to continue being who I am. I'm going to continue to be better, to be a better version of myself. I can't get stuck because I'm in a relationship with you. So when you do that, you find out that your relationship is going to be beautiful. It's going to work like it work so well that people will begin to ask you, What do you do? What is your secret? Why is your own working out so nicely like this? Why is your own working out and mine is not working out? And remember to tell people, it is the advice I heard, though. It is something that somebody told me, and you refer my page, you refer my channel to the person. Thank you for watching, guys.